sometimes the guys tie the lockdown screw more than actually recommended in the program, or more than recommended in the installation wear bushing procedure. So whenever that you tie the lockdown screw, actually more than recommended, it could damage the wear bushing. So it would be actually damage the body and make the wear bushing collapse. So that's why whenever you want to retrieve the wear bushing, you face with the difficulties to retrieve the wear bushing and wasting time. In this case, because the inside the wear bushing not be round and become collapsed, so that's why the retrieve tool could not go inside and pass inside the wear bushing to retrieve the wear bushing easily. So that's very important to only tie only 4 lockdown screws which are crossed. So 2 from this side and 2 cross side. So that's why only tied, for example, for this type of the wellhead, the full actually tied lockdown screw is at 12.5 millimeter, and full retractable lockdown screw is around 15.5 or maximum 16 centimeters. It means 1/6. So once you lose the gland, when you are going to tie the lockdown screw, so you should only tie it by small adjustable wrench. Do not use a big or huge pipe wrench. Do not use pipe to help the pipe wrench, and do not force it too much. Only by a very simple adjustable wrench, and wherever that you feel it's a little bit tight and not easily actually goes, so that's enough. That's enough to hold the wear bushing. Then you are going to tie the gland. In the event of you apply more force or more torque to tie the lockdown screw, definitely it will be damage the wear bushing and make the wear bushing collapse. And finally, when you want to retrieve the wear bushing, the retrieve tool could not pass inside and retrieve the wear bushing easily, and you will waste time. And maybe, in the worst case, if the wear bushing is stuck inside the tubing head spool, then you have to lay down the BOP, and you could not lay down the BOP without set RBP or RTTS inside to secure the well. So it's means you're wasting around 3-4 days, more than 72 hours for a very simple thing. So please consider about that. Do not tie the lockdown screw too much. Only lose the gland, tie the lockdown screw by simple adjustable wrench, and once the adjustable wrench, when you tighten it, if you feel it be a little bit tight, that's enough. Okay, so it means once the lockdown screw just a little bit enter inside the tubing head spool to hold the wear bushing is enough for the wear bushing. Don't tighten it too much. So it happened on 1 week. They tightened too much, and after 3 hours, finally they could retrieve the wear bushing, which only take for maximum half an hour. So 2.5 hours wasting for only this job. And they were lucky, the wear bushing not stuck inside the BOP or not stuck inside the tubing head. So okay guys, I hope this video is very helpful for you. In upcoming video, I will share more experience, oil field experience, which is very useful for the young engineer and new people, and even experienced people. Maybe they will face with this operation, with this actually experience. The whole idea about these videos, about this website, is just give at least brief induction and share the experience with the people that work in the oil field, and minimize the risk of lose money, risk of actually minimize the cost, and minimize the risk of the fatal accident and incident, and improve the efficiency for the working, and get easily this experience just by watching video for a few minutes. You can get the experience for the 20 years. Hope to see you again on the next video, guys. Bye.